Hi, welcome to this quick Charlotte County Economic Development Update. Today, I want to talk about workforce attraction and why the talent our businesses need may already be right here in Charlotte County. When people talk about workforce attraction, the conversation often jumps straight to recruiting talent from somewhere else. And yes, that matters. Growing communities need to attract new workers, new families, new entrepreneurs, and new investment. But in Charlotte County, the workforce story is also about something closer to home. It is about the students already here. It is about the adults looking for a better career path. It is about employers who need skilled workers. And it is about the schools, training providers, and community partners working to connect all of those pieces. That is why workforce development is not just an education issue, it is an economic development issue. When a company is deciding where to grow, relocate, or invest, one of the first questions is simple: can we find the people we need? That question affects manufacturing, it affects aviation, it affects healthcare, it affects construction, logistics, hospitality, and professional services. It affects almost every industry that keeps a local economy moving. So when Charlotte County invests in workforce pathways, we are also investing in business growth. We are helping businesses see that Charlotte County is not only a beautiful place to live, it is also a place where talent, training, and opportunity can come together. The new Southwest Florida Advanced Manufacturing Training Center is one example of that bigger picture. It represents more than a building. It represents a connection between training and opportunity. It helps create a clearer path for students and workers who want hands-on careers. It helps employers connect with people who are learning the skills they need, and it helps strengthen Charlotte County's position as a place where businesses can grow with confidence. That matters because workforce attraction does not only mean asking people to move here, it also means giving people a reason to stay here. It means helping young people see a future in their own community. It means helping adults reskill or upskill for better opportunities. It means showing employers that they are not solving workforce challenges alone. This is where partnerships become important. No single organization can fix workforce challenges by itself. Economic development, schools, technical colleges, workforce boards, employers, chambers, and community partners all have a role to play. The work is not always flashy. Sometimes it looks like a training program, sometimes it looks like an internship, sometimes it looks like an apprenticeship, sometimes it looks like a business owner showing up to talk to students about real career opportunities. Sometimes it looks like a student discovering that a great career does not always require leaving Charlotte County. That is the story we need to keep telling. Charlotte County's talent pipeline is not some far-off idea. It is being built right now through the partnerships, programs, and people already working in this community. And the more clearly we tell that story, the stronger our position becomes. For employers, it shows that Charlotte County understands workforce needs. For students, it shows that opportunity exists close to home. For site selectors and business prospects, it shows that our community is serious about long-term business growth. And for residents, it shows that economic development is not just about buildings, projects, or announcements. It is about people, it is about career paths, it is about keeping opportunity within reach. As Charlotte County continues to grow, we will keep focusing on the advantages that make this community competitive. That includes our schools, our technical training programs, our apprenticeships and internships, our airport, our employers, our quality of life, and our ability to connect people with opportunity. Because the workforce Charlotte County needs may already be here, our job is to help connect that talent to the businesses and industries that need it most. That is workforce attraction, that is business support, and that is economic development in Charlotte County. To learn more about workforce resources, business support, and economic development in Charlotte County, visit clearedfortakeoff.com.